Hi guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to another video. This time I am on the Tracer 9 and I am heading to the gas station because as a lot of you know, I have 233 kilometers on the dash, but the dash it's not showing exactly what it's in the fuel tank, and I just have to be sure because I am going on a ride. Today it's a very nice day, it's a sunny day, and actually this is the first time in 2026 that I am taking the Tracer 9 out. I am glad that this day it's here, and I will just enjoy the ride. I hope that you will enjoy it too. I was here not so long ago and I saw the traffic light, and it is still here because of some construction work. As you can see, guys here are constructing the water channel, I would say, that would go all around this vineyard and will prevent the water to reach the road. This is how I see it, and I think that they are gonna finish it quite soon because the summer season is approaching. Like I said, we are currently in April. Alright, I had 2 bars, as you can see, and I put inside almost 12 liters, and the fuel tank of the Tracer 9 it's 19 liters. So the fuel tank indicator it's really not accurate, but this is something that a lot of Tracer 9 owners already know. Those of you who are interested in this bike, please check my video or my videos about it, my reviews, because I have 3 of them, and 2 test rides of the Tracer 9 and the Tracer 9 GT, and please watch it if you're interested in this bike. Okay, let's turn it on. I had 236 kilometers on the dash, and I put inside, like I said, almost 12 liters. This is the fact. And now just a nice ride and time for coffee. Enjoy the ride with me. It is 19 degrees Celsius, and today I will see a lot of riders. We should say hi also to scooterists, and this one was a GS rider. I was pretty sure that I'm gonna encounter one today, at least one. This is the road, the old road to Ljubljana, the original road, and it is with some dense motorcycle traffic during the summer season. These twisties are addictive, always were. We'll see how many motorcycles, how many riders will be here. Oh yeah. Vicky Burger, time for a coffee.